Hello, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes Bath Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make geode bath embeds. You're going to need Epsom salt. I use European salt, so I use the coarse grain, and I also use the medium grain. And you can use any combination you like. I just like the different grains to give it some texture for the crystal effect. So you just mix equal parts all together, and I just separated those into different bowls for the different colors. So I'm going to do gradient colors. And I just added some mica into my bath salt, and I also used some glitter. You don't have to use glitter. I just like the little sparkle effect, so I love glitter. And you just mix it thoroughly, and you want to give it the ombre effect, so you want to have one lighter and then you go in a shade up each time. So you have one white, one light purple, and one dark purple. And I'm adding a little bit more glitter because I love sparkle. And we're going to mix that up really good and get that mica from out the bottom of the bowl. And we're going to take some alcohol, and this is 91% alcohol, and we're just going to give it a couple of spritzes so that the color could adhere to the bath salts. Next, we're going to melt coconut oil, and how much coconut oil you use depends on how many bath melts you are making or how big your bath melts are. And so we're going to melt that and just put it to the side. I'm using a mini muffin silicone pan, but you can use something bigger if you're going to make this a bath melt. I use these as a little bath embeds for my bath bombs. So we're going to layer the bath salts. First, we're going to layer the white, and I like to leave a little dip in the middle so that we can give a natural gradient effect with the colors. And I also like to go back in with the white and with the finer salts and go around the edge. And now I'm going to take the lighter color and I'm going to place that into the dip. And you don't want a definitive line, so you want to mess it up a little bit so you have that gradient effect. And I find that when you do the deeper color, I like to use the coarse salt so that you have the texture at the top and it gives it more of a natural geode look. And now we're going to add the coconut oil, and you just want to add a few drips on around it because you don't want to put too much, because if you put too much, it's going to cover the entire geode embed, and what that's going to do is make it white. So you want it to keep that color, you want it to stay vibrant, so you just go around it and you lightly put coconut oil in the middle. But if you would like, you can do it with the layers. So when you do the white first, you can put the coconut oil, and then when you put the lighter color, you can put the coconut oil after that. And then when you put the dark color at the top, you can put a little at the top. So that way, you know, you don't have a white embed. And as you can see, I went back with my lavender color and I made it a little darker because it was a little too light for me. So that's what we have. And then we have the purple. Now we're just going to pop these into the freezer for about 10-15 minutes, and we pop them out. And as you can see, there are some particles falling out, and that's because I didn't add a lot of coconut oil, so it's up to you. And then more glitter, of course, because I love the sparkle. And now I'm going to take some gold mica and I'm going to put it on a wax paper. And I'm just going to lay it out there so I can roll the edges of my embed on it. I'm going to spray the edges of my embed with the 91% alcohol, and I'm just going to roll it through the gold mica. And that's it. You have your Geode embed that you can use in any bath product, any bath creation, or you can just use it as a bath melt. The coconut oil dissolves easily in your bath, and you can just drop it in and relax. The possibilities are endless to what you can do with this Geode embed. And I would love to see any of your bath creations. Please tag me or at me, and let's see what you made. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please subscribe and tell a friend. Please post the video, leave me a comment, a like, and follow me on all social media. And also, if there's any videos or anything that you would like us to do, please let me know below, and we will try to get those videos done for you. Have a great day, guys.